Hello there techies, my name is Malay Vasada and welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's take a look at how can you set your custom page template as a default selection so that when user is creating a new news or post an article, they are choosing the correct template that you need. Let's see what I mean by that. When we click on new, I'm logged in as Adele, a regular user. Click on page. Now you will always see that by default, the blank page template from Microsoft is selected. Now, what if you would like to actually go and set about IT as a page template, right? That's what we want to look at. We want to make sure when any user clicks on a new page, by default, you would like them to select about IT. It should be by default selected. So what do we need to do? First, we need to make sure that we are logged in as a user who has a full access on the site. Let me flip back another user. Now I'm logged in as myself, which is having a full access on the user. When I click on new page, I go to save on the site and I will choose set default selection. It will ask that changing the default selected template changes it for all users of this site. Continue. I would say yes. Continue. And that's it. Now let's flip back as Adele. Now when we go ahead and click on new page, you will see that by default about IT is now selected and you do not have a blank selected from Microsoft. So at least this will ensure that user is directly selecting the correct template and get going with creating the content. I hope this simple example helped you to understand how can you set your custom page template as a default selection for all users of the site. Thank you so much for watching the video.